Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. You got about du equals to e to the power of s ds. This one you got about u square in here. This one you got about du. And now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 over 2 sine t. Because if I put this one go in here, you got about 1 over 4 sine t square. Number 4, we cancel. Sine t square, 1 minus sine t square, you got about cosine t square. And later that we simplify the square root and du. We do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about 1 over 2 cosine t dt. This one we put in here. Du we change by this one. This one you got about 1 over 4 sine t square. Number 4, we cancel. 1 minus sine t square, you got about cosine t square. And this one you got about cosine t. Cosine t, we cancel. The integration of this one you got about t over 2 and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we multiply both sides by number 2. And you got about t equals to r sine of 2u. And then I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about this one. And here is about the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.